Hi, my name is Aaron Olson. I'm here with the Cordz team. Today we're going to talk a little bit about brake cord safety. This applies whether you're using power cords or steel brakes, but it's a really important consideration. Now, we've never had an accident here with any of our power cords products, but we want to keep it that way. So we're going to look today at a couple of techniques we can do to keep safe, including visual inspections, learning how to brake with the front brake only, and giving a hard squeeze before we go for a ride. We'll also look at when it becomes time to replace your brake cords. Now, when a brake failure happens, it's most likely going to happen at the rear brake. That's because the typical rider puts more pressure on their rear brake than they do the front, and it's also actuated more often. So that's why we need the technique of knowing how to brake on our front brake, even if we're really going fast down a steep downhill. So it's an important thing to practice while you're out there doing a normal ride. Now, secondly, before a major ride, we can give the brakes an extra hard squeeze. What this allows to happen is for the brake to fail before you're out riding and while you're safe and standing still. And finally, we need to do a visual inspection before going on any major ride, and that's also when we're going to find out when it's time to replace your cords. When we consider bicycle cable safety, what we're really speaking about is brakes. And when we're looking at our brakes, the two main vulnerable points on any brake system is going to be right here where the barrel adjuster and the cable comes through, and right here where the pinch bolt cinches down on the cable. Every time we go out to ride, we want to take a look at these two places to make sure that there aren't any exposed fibers, and if there are, it's time to change the cords. Now, while a broken derailleur cable isn't so much of a safety issue as it is a major inconvenience, you'll still want to check that out before you go for a major ride. And our vulnerable points here are again where the pinch bolt is clasping down onto or crimping down onto the cable, and right here where it's coming out of the barrel adjuster and out of the housing.